Title: The Ultimate Investment Guide by Jim Rohn, Secrets to Wealth and Financial Freedom. What if I told you that the secret to financial freedom isn't just about money, but about mindset and principles? Jim Rohn, one of the greatest business philosophers of all time, left us with timeless wisdom on how to build wealth and create a prosperous life. In this video, we break down Jim Rohn's Ultimate Investment Guide, strategies that can transform your financial future. Segment 1, The Foundation of Wealth. Jim Rohn believed that wealth begins with philosophy. He often said, formal education will make you a living, self-education will make you a fortune. But what does that mean for us today? Invest in yourself, read books, attend seminars, and surround yourself with successful people. Develop the right mindset. Financial success starts with belief and discipline. Segment 2, The Power of Saving and Investing. Saving is the first step, but investing is where true wealth begins. According to Jim Rohn, you should work harder on yourself than you do on your job. The same applies to your money. Let it work for you. The 70-10-10-10 rule. Jim Rohn's famous formula for financial independence. 70% for living expenses, 10% for saving, 10% for investing, 10% for giving back. Segment 3, Smart Investment Strategies. What are the best ways to invest? Jim Rohn focused on 4 major areas. 1. The stock market. Learn the art of investing in companies that create long-term wealth. 2. Real estate. Assets that generate passive income and appreciate over time. 3. Starting a business. Build something that provides financial security and freedom. 4. Investing in people. Your network is your net worth. Build relationships that create value. Segment 4, The Importance of Discipline and Patience. The road to wealth isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. Jim Rohn always emphasized that success is nothing more than a few simple disciplines, practiced every day. Stay committed to your financial plan. Be patient and let your investments grow over time. Avoid get-rich-quick schemes. Wealth is built with discipline. Final segment, Take action today. Jim Rohn's wisdom is timeless, but knowledge alone won't change your life, action will. Today, commit to investing in yourself and your future. Start saving, start learning, and most importantly, start investing. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more powerful insights on wealth, success, and personal growth.